I'm Nolan Deno, and I'm a repair technician at repairs and maintenance at NIX Industrial. It's a family up here. I mean, especially up in R&M, everybody gets along with one another. It's always fun to see everybody. And I did the SICK Tech program over there in Evansville, and I started that my junior year. I could do an internship, and so I started that up here with NIX January 8th, I think, of 24. And then they kept me on as an intern through the summer. After that fall, they hired me on full time. But it's just fun. I mean, even as an intern, I was able to grow my skills quite a bit.
He likes to cut up, joke around in the shop. He's always the first one to crack jokes. He cuts up with everybody, he gets along with everybody. He started out real young, started out as an intern, and it has slowly evolved into what he is now.
Yeah, outside of work, I like to hang out with my family, friends, and my lovely girlfriend. I like to ride four-wheelers, buddies, and stuff like that. Been at home, I like to tinker on some stuff. Do quite a bit of some welding projects for my buddies on their bikes and four-wheelers as well. They have something broken, they always bring it to me. Just I got my own TIG machine at home, so it's kind of fun to just tinker around sometimes.
What I like about Nolan when we work together is that he always finds some way to make a silly joke about something.
He makes it easy to work with. It's not like you have to hold his hand or babysit him through everything. He's very effective.